College pun fibro session part kejemput nam ta Khubor Laitkam Hikai tikidon kumba Tylli ki post kami kai ki balan kita gilong one assistant teacher lower primary minimum qualification given long class 12 with 45% nam ta ki STSC sanpo nam ta ki general with DLED lane BE lane diploma in education nam ta ki special education given debro yak LPM tet salary kane kade deficit pay age limit mentagi SC ST di Saupo mentagi OBC dari Laipo Pra. Application should reach the Secretary Hillview LP School Happy Valley Shillong 7 Million Block on or before 22nd August RR 3 August kuat apply mentagi na post ada sao kontak nomor ladap I Drew not lai and Drew not knain Drew tiba kuat apply select kebetulan kam kada Happy Valley Shillong. One assistant teacher upper primary kanenam taka UP post BA lane BSc with BEd lane DLEd should possess UP MTED dependep yoga UP MTED pila bandegi DLEd ne pila bandegi BEd pila bandegi BA ne pila bandegi BSc pila apply kasalari kade adhoc pay age limit kamjui saupo di SCST but life run ta OBC application should reach the Secretary Hillview UP School Happy Valley Shillong Million Block kare hajuhi nomor phone ujuhi tarik hajuhi arf August ajab sao nomor phone Drew not lai and Drew not 9 Drew hakajuhi ka school. One pre-primary teacher qualification demlong graduate with DLEd lane NTT 2 years teaching experience katakawe ka post kabar one primary teacher qualification graduate with DLEd plus MTED 2 years teaching experience kabalai one PE lane sports teacher ka minimum qualification ka belong BPED Bachelor of Physical Education 2 years experience ka salary long negotiable pin saya kan dala dega to kapor kisah negotiate karno pikwa ka salary ka jingya kren jong PGR te pila poi hakata kawa kan poi kan kanoro pin saya stu angta ka jingya kren application should reach the principal Hillview Secondary School, ARC, Happy Valley, Shillong, 7 on or before 22nd August 2024. Contact 6033326096. The baro kine ki posan tali kide hakajuhi ka school, Hillview UP School, Happy Valley. The tangine ki jemputip, College